welcome to Space Origin Podcast. I'm sorry that this is a long video but informative one. So in this video we're going to focus about astronomy. So to begin with, let's talk about what is astronomy. Astronomy is the field of science which focuses on space topics such as studying the moon or asteroid or in mysterious phenomenon, for example black hole. Let's start with the basic importance of astronomy. In our solar system, there are a total of 8 planets. But wait, actually there are 9 planets in 90s, including Pluto, a new planet discovered by Clyde Tombaugh in the Lowell Observatory. But why Pluto isn't a planet now? There is a reason why Pluto isn't a planet. It's because it's not comparable to other objects other than its moon. Pluto was a dwarf planet and confirmed in 2006 by International Astronomical Union or IAU. So let's start with the parts of the solar system, like our sun and planets. Sun is the core of the solar system because its mass provides our Earth and other planets to stay in orbit. Like in this video, our sun pulls all the planet and holds it in place, which we call it as orbit. And also Earth and other planet as mass also, which makes the sun wobble here and there. Sun's heat is about 10,000 Fahrenheit in its surface and 27 million Fahrenheit inside the core. That's a lot of heat, so I'm not going to cover too much about the sun, but to mention sun is white. Why? It's because of the color spectrum. What is a spectrum? The range of colors or frequencies in a beam of light is called the spectrum. When we take a prism and kept it in a direct sunlight, we see all the colors of the rainbow come out at the other end. Therefore, the sun is white. Because white is made up of all the color. Yes, it is made up of all the colors. Celestial bodies, which are planets. So let's start with the first planet to the last planet. Mercury, which is the first and nearest planet in the solar system. It is also the fastest planet. Mercury, which travels about 47 km per second. Because of the oval-shaped body, it helps the planet to move faster. The oval-shaped body is created because of the planet's large weight, and it has 88 days in 1 year, and for 1 day, it's 15 hours and 30 minutes. And Mercury heat is about 332 Fahrenheit. Mercury is not the hottest planet. If Mercury is not the hottest planet, what is that planet? Yes, you got it. The second planet, Venus. The hottest planet in the solar system. Its surface temperature is 847 degrees Fahrenheit, making it the hottest planet and also the brightest. Here's the short explanation why Venus is the hottest planet. Venus is the hottest planet because of the volcanic eruption it created. Because of that, more and more carbon dioxide released, which leads to global warming. Global warming is a type of climate change which changes the climate to hot and warm because of carbon dioxide or CO2. Earth, which is the third planet in the solar system, which has life where humans and animals civilize. Earth formed 4.5 billion years ago and the Sun 4,500 million years old. And the first organism is the bacteria, which formed in oceans at 3 billion years ago. And the first plant is Cookstonia, and the first animal on land was a type of a millipede, and humans formed from an ape-like structure to a real human. So if Earth is habitable, do other planets like Earth is formed on solar system? And yes, it is. We all know that is the fourth planet. Mars, which is the fourth planet from the solar system. Scientists from NASA are looking for life on Mars, but there is no proof that it has life. Mars is in the Goldilocks or in the habitable zone. Venus has life, but not now. Mars has life, but we don't know. NASA and other space agencies are trying to get proof that Mars has life, so we can be multiplanetary species. There is also a planet which is the biggest planet in the solar system, and the planet is fifth planet. Yes, you got it right. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the solar system and also the largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter has no surface, it is a gaseous planet. Jupiter is mostly made up of hydrogen and helium. Jupiter is also one of the fastest spinning planets, and the clouds on Jupiter is 50 kilometers thick, and it has a spot known as Great Red Spot, which has been there for a long time. Also, Jupiter has ring, which is not like Saturn. It is just faint and made up of dust, which is not made up of ice or big rocks like Saturn. And there is a planet which is also the largest planet but holds the second place, and the planet is the sixth planet. The Saturn is the sixth planet from the solar system and the second largest planet. It is also a beautiful planet because of the rings. The rings, which is made up of rocks and ice, which is the size of a mountain. And this rings is maintained because of two moons called shepherd moons. To mention, Jupiter has 79 moons, half of it are unnamed. The Saturn has 82 moons and same, half of it are unnamed. There is also a planet that are icy and windy, and it is the second coldest planet, and the planet is Uranus. Is the seventh planet and also the second coldest planet from the solar system. It was discovered by astronomer William Herschel. Uranus orbits the sun on its side. Uranus also has rings and its atmosphere are ices, and it has 27 moons. If you are asking the temperature of Uranus, it is minus 353 Fahrenheit, and the coldest temperature in Uranus ever recorded was minus 371 Fahrenheit. And if you are asking 1 year in Uranus, it's 84 years. For 1 year, it's really a lot of days. And there's also another planet which is the coldest planet in the solar system. Neptune, which is the last planet and also the coldest planet in the solar system. Its temperature is minus 591 Fahrenheit, and the distance from Sun is about 4,4746 billion kilometers, which is the reason Uranus and Neptune is the coldest planet. And also, it is in a distance of 1 billion kilometers. Facts. You know that in Mars the sunset is blue, but on Earth it's crimson in color. And in October 18, 1963, a Persian stray cat was launched into space. The cat name was Felicet, which the mission was successful, but they purposefully killed the cat for research. The biggest mountain in our solar system is Olympus Mons, which is located in Mars, which is 3 times bigger than the Mount Everest. And a NASA spacesuit cost $12 million. That's a lot of money. So, I hope you learned about our solar system. So, thank you for watching.